Hello, intrepid Earthlings and interplanetary enthusiasts. Buckle up your curiosity belts because today, we're embarking on a journey that'll make you reconsider the very notion of seeing is believing. Picture this, a world where eyes are so last millennium, and creatures navigate existence with a flair that says, who needs peepers anyway? Welcome to the blind side of nature, where we'll dive into a realm of creatures that have decided to ditch the whole eyeball extravaganza. So, join us as we unravel the stories of these eyeless wonders, proving that in the grand spectacle of life, sometimes the best views come from those who see the world differently. Get ready to giggle, gasp, and maybe squirm a bit. It's time to meet the VIPs of the blind party. In the mystical landscapes of Cambodia, a peculiar creature roams the subterranean world, challenging the very concept of sight. Discovered in 2011, the blind legless lizard, scientifically known as Dibemus daliensis, is a testament to evolution's creativity. Despite its snake-like appearance, this enigmatic lizard belongs to the Dibemidae family of blind skinks, distinguishing it from its legless serpent counterparts. This newly identified species is a resident of Cambodia's soil, embracing a life spent burrowing through the earth. Eyes, deemed unnecessary in the labyrinth of underground tunnels, have become obsolete in their evolutionary journey. A researcher succinctly put it, those adaptations are simply a waste of energy when you're working your way through underground tunnels. Sadly, the blind legless lizard faces an uncertain future. Confined to a single mountain in Cambodia, it grapples with the looming threats of logging and industrial activities. As you unravel the mysteries of this unique creature, you witness the delicate balance between adaptation and vulnerability, underscoring the importance of conservation efforts in preserving such evolutionary marvels. Venture into the dark caves of Minas Gerais, Brazil, and you'll encounter a species that has mastered life without eyes, the Brazilian blind caracid, or Stygichthys typhlops. Measuring a mere 1.8 inches, these cave-adapted fish have forsaken eyes and pigmentation, navigating their world solely through other senses. Initially discovered in the 1960s, these peculiar fish were rediscovered in the early 2000s. Their decline in the wild, primarily attributed to diminishing water tables, casts a shadow over their once solitary existence in cave ponds. Strikingly unique, they find a place in aquariums, prized for their eye-catching lack of eyes. As you plunge into the depths of their habitat, you uncover the challenges they face: habitat loss, dwindling populations, and the looming threat of extinction. The Brazilian blind caracid, with its evolutionary quirks, becomes a poignant reminder of the delicate balance between adaptation and survival. In the hidden recesses of Kentucky's caves, a transparent marvel thrives, the Kentucky cave shrimp, or Palimonius ganteri. Adapted to the darkness of underground streams in Barron, Edmondson, Hart, and Warren counties, this troglobite shrimp showcases a stunning lack of eyes and pigmentation, resembling a ghostly specter. These shrimp rely on the sediment carried by groundwater for sustenance, feeding on a rich assortment of protozoans, fungi, and algal cells. Unlike their surface-dwelling counterparts, they lack the small eye stalks that usually crown shrimp. However, their existence teeters on the brink of jeopardy due to their limited range. As you delve into the intricacies of their subterranean world, you confront the pressing issue of water quality. Threatened by groundwater contamination, the Kentucky cave shrimp's survival hinges on ongoing conservation efforts. The story unfolds as we strive to ensure this transparent wonder doesn't vanish into the shadows. In the mesmerizing caves of the Denasip Alps, an aquatic enigma reigns supreme, the Om, or Proteus anguinus. This cave-dwelling amphibian, often referred to as the human fish by locals, defies the typical amphibian lifestyle by embracing a completely aquatic existence. First identified in 1689, the Om has etched its place in history with its fleshy, eyeless appearance. While possessing undeveloped eyes, covered by transparent skin, the Om relies on its heightened senses of smell and hearing to navigate the subterranean darkness. With small limbs and a lack of pigmentation, these creatures evoke an otherworldly charm reminiscent of cave dragons. As you explore their unique adaptations and the myths surrounding their discovery, you come face to face with the Om's remarkable ability to thrive in the absence of light. Their story unfolds as a testament to nature's ingenuity, proving that even in darkness, life can flourish in the most unexpected forms. Journeying to the mystical caves of Kauai in the Hawaiian Islands, we encounter the Kauai cave wolf spider, a tiny, eight-legged wonder that has chosen to live in complete darkness. With no eyes to speak of, this blind arachnid navigates its subterranean world relying on other heightened senses. Measuring a modest 0.8 inches, these blind cave dwellers pose no threat to humans but play a crucial role in their ecosystem. Their diet consists almost exclusively of a small amphipod, itself limited to only 9 populations in the same area. As we delve into the challenges these spiders face, we uncover the human-induced threats that place them on the endangered list. So explore the unique world of the Kauai cave wolf spider, where habitat loss due to human activities, especially the use of pest controls, threatens their very existence. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these fascinating creatures, reminding us of the delicate balance required to preserve biodiversity. Deep in the heart of Texas, where the devil may indeed be in the details, we discover the wide-mouthed blind cat, a catfish like no other. Evolving in the lightless confines of artesian wells, this catfish not only lacks pigmentation but also flaunts the remnants of eyes, suggesting a fascinating journey through evolutionary time. The wide-mouthed blind cat, measuring a modest 5.4 inches, has become a top-tier predator in its subterranean realm, with a diet consisting of crustaceans. However, this unique species is facing vulnerability due to groundwater contamination. As you unravel the mysteries of their environment and their distinctive features, you explore the ongoing conservation efforts to ensure the survival of this rare devilishly named species. Traveling to the Canary Islands, specifically the caves of Llamios del Agua in Lanzarote, we encounter the blind albino cave crab, a creature that has adapted to a life without eyes in the darkness of lava tubes. Despite their name, these tiny lobsters are not only visually impaired but also lack any eye stalks. Their unique environment and distinctive physical features have made them the symbolic animals of Lanzarote. As you delve into their cave-dwelling lifestyle and the lack of visible eyes, you'll explore how they navigate and interact with their surroundings through senses like smell, taste, and touch. Interestingly, unlike many species on our list, these cave crabs are not currently listed as threatened, allowing us a rare glimpse into a blind world without imminent danger. In the subterranean waters of Alabama and Tennessee, the southern cave crayfish, or Oconectes australis, thrives as a translucent, eyeless marvel. Living in complete darkness, this centenarian species has adapted to its surroundings, rendering eyes unnecessary for its survival. Measuring up to 1.8 inches in length, these crayfish exhibit a longevity that surpasses a century. As you dive into their remarkable features and behavior, you unravel the secrets of their extended lifespan and the fascinating ways they navigate their lightless habitat. Despite their eyeless existence, these crayfish are currently listed as of least concern, showcasing the resilience of life in the hidden corners of our planet. Venture into the freshwaters of the Rio Grande, the Nueces, and Pecos rivers in Texas, and you'll encounter the Mexican tetra, scientifically known as Astyanax mexicanus. A species of charasin, these fish have opted for a life without eyes, evolving over time to navigate their environment without the burdensome cost of sight. Initially possessing eyes like their surface-dwelling cousins, the Mexican tetra gradually shed this sensory luxury in favor of energy conservation. A published study reveals that the energy cost of sight for young, developing fish is a whopping 15% greater than if they were blind. We'll explore the unique adaptations that allow them to thrive without eyes, the aquarium community's fascination with these aquatic marvels, and the intricate role they play in the aquatic ecosystems of Texas and Mexico. Our journey concludes with a rare and elusive troglobite amphibian, the Texas blind salamander, or Eurycia rathbuni. Nestled exclusively in San Marcos, Texas, within the San Marcos pool of the Edwards Aquifer, this captivating creature has adapted to a life without visible eyes. Discovered in 1895, the Texas blind salamander showcases a unique method of hunting. Lacking external eyes, it navigates its dark environment by sensing water movements, a skill that serves it well in the still waters of its habitat. With a diet comprising blind shrimp, snails, small fish, and whatever else floats into its dark domain, this species plays a crucial role in the delicate balance of its ecosystem. As you explore the challenges these salamanders face, from their limited range to the looming threat of groundwater pollution, you will get the idea about the conservation efforts aimed at protecting these vulnerable creatures. The Texas blind salamander, listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, becomes a symbol of the intricate relationships between life, adaptation, and the ever-pressing need for conservation in our ever-changing world. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. We've taken a delightful plunge into the enigmatic world of creatures that have given a firm, no thanks, to eyes. From blind spiders living the aloha life in Hawaiian caves to catfish named Satan prowling the depths of Texas, we've witnessed evolution's quirky sense of humor. Remember, nature has a way of surprising us, and sometimes, the best view is the one you sense with your heart, or in the case of our eyeless wonders, with a touch of feel, taste, and a splash of sixth sense. So, next time you find yourself longing for a glimpse into the unseen, just think of these creatures, the true MVPs of the dark corners of our planet. If you've enjoyed this exploration into the blind side of nature, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your fellow explorers, and subscribe for more adventures into the wild and wonderful. Until our next expedition, keep your eyes wide open for the unexpected, and remember, even in the absence of sight, there's always a unique way to perceive the world around us. And that concludes our showcase of the today's topic. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, and relatives so that they too can enjoy videos on wild animals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.